In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts on LinkedIn. If you prefer a little more privacy in your conversations, turning off read receipts stops others from seeing the exact moment you've opened their message, and it also hides typing indicators. Just keep in mind when you disable this feature, you won't be able to see read receipts or typing indicators from other people either. It's a two-way setting designed to be fair for everyone. To get started, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for your profile photo. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is the hub where you control your account, privacy, and communications preferences. On the Settings and Privacy page, you'll want to find the section called Messaging Experience. LinkedIn occasionally adjusts the layout, so if you don't see it right away, look under any communications or messaging related categories. You're looking for the control labeled Read Receipts and Typing Indicators. Click into that area to view the toggle. Now simply switch the toggle off. When the toggle is off, read receipts won't be sent to the other person and typing indicators won't appear while you're composing a message. This change takes effect right away and applies across your account, so it will carry over to your conversations on other devices as well. A quick tip, if you ever want to double check that it worked, open a recent conversation and send a short message to yourself or a trusted contact, then note that you won't see a read confirmation anymore. Also, if you can't locate the setting due to a layout update, try using the search bar within Settings and type Read Receipts. It's an easy way to jump straight to the right place without hunting through menus. That's all you need to do. You've just turned off read receipts and typing indicators on LinkedIn, giving yourself a quieter, more private messaging experience. If your preferences change later, you can return to the same spot and switch the toggle back on at any time. If this walkthrough helped you, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.